Can you see the stars align? A night like this can never rewind. Can you hear the wolf cry out to the light?
Good job.
A night like this I never shine so bright. So take a couple steps back as you hear me start to howl. Take a couple steps back when I lose all control. Watch me turn into a werewolf, and I will hunt till the break of dawn. Don't you dare to try to stop me. This is the horn of the black swan.
They're almost the same thing, aren't they? Yeah. Go, 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 go. They're all going left. They all went left. I have to play defense. Oh, dang, dude. Especially with two springers. Yeah. Makes it even more impressive. Dan's well done there, Dan.
That triple kill though.
Oh yeah. That's not going on video though. Hey, hold on.
Come on. Go ahead and use the rep. We're going up the stairs.
Yeah. Keep an eye on the door here. I'm going up now. There's nobody there now. Come to my position. Look at this window. Ready? Just look that way.
When I lose all control.
Bang bang, bang bang, bang bang. Bang bang, bang bang. Oh, bang bang, parlay. Parlay.
The horn of the black swan.
Crossing, get ready. Tell me where to go. Move it. I'll stay low, I'll stay low. Like this?
Hey, how you guys doing?
Oh, we're moving. I'm dead. Hey, walking out.